This is JD's letter W lap book. Let's start over here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's start with W.
Worm.
Uh-huh.
Watermelon.
Uh-huh.
Watch. Windmill.
Mm-hmm.
Wagon. Window.
Uh-huh.
Whale.
Whale, good job. All those begin with W. Can you get it? Okay. What's this? What is all of this? Wait. What is all of this?
Oh no.
Weather?
Weather.
Wait, slow down. This is sunny. What's this? Wind.
Wind. Rain. Wind.
And snow. That's our weather window. Amy, where'd you plucky? Go find it. Go find it.
Yay!
Oh, your worksheet that you did. Let me see your W's that you traced. Oh, good job. Okay, fold that one back up. Okay, just a minute. And this one. Oh, you got it. Open it up. All right. Oh, see a watermelon and a watch and a wagon. And your letter W's that you traced.
And flowers.
Flowers. They don't start with W.
Yes.
Okay, let's look at the back. What's on our back? What's on the back?
Wash.
Wash. Who washed the disciples' feet?
Oh no.
Remember? Who did it?
Jesus.
Jesus did. That's right. To show them that he loved them, right?
No.
All right.
Me.
Say, love you. Bye.
I love you. Bye.